Good morning, students. Today we are starting the new topic of English grammar, active and passive voice. Firstly, we know that what is active voice and what is passive voice. In the active sentence, the person doing the action is the subject and the person thing receiving the action is the object. Example, Priya washes the clothes. Here, Priya is the subject, the clothes is object and washes is verb. Priya is now subject, she is doing the action, or the clause is object which is receiving the action. It is example of active voice in which the subject is the main thing or subject is doing the action. In passive sentence, the person thing receiving the action is the subject and the person doing the action is optionally included near end of the sentence. It means active, it means subject change into object and object change into subject. Like this example, clothes are washed by Garima. Here, clause is subject which is previously receiving the action. Now it is subject. Or Garima, which was subject, change into object, person doing the action. Garima was doing the action, but now it is changed into object. How do change the voice? Active voice. John respects the teacher. Passive voice. The teacher is respected by John. Here, subject change into object, subject John change into object and object the teacher change into subject. Students, it is noted that in passive voice we use V3. In active we use verb according to the tense, or in passive voice we use third form of the verb. In passive voice we use agent by. Students, how do we change pronouns in the active passive voice? Subject in the active voice, object in the passive voice. When we change subject into object, how do we change subject into object? I change into me, we change into us, you change into you, he change into him, she change into her, it change into it, they change into them. It is the change of pronouns. How do we change tense or verb in the active passive voice? Firstly, we know about the simple present tense. The rule of affirmative sentence in simple present is subject plus V1 plus SOES plus object. When we change into passive voice, new subject. New subject means when object change into subject, it becomes new subject. And subject change into object, it becomes new object. New subject plus ism R plus V3 plus by plus new object. In the place of V1 plus SOES, we use helping verb is am are. In the negative sentence, rule is subject plus do does plus not plus verb first form plus object. When we change into passive voice, new subject plus is am are plus not plus V3 plus by plus new object. It means in passive voice we change the helping verb and we use V3 or by agent. Interrogative sentence in active voice is do does plus subject plus verb first form plus object. When we change into passive voice, is am are plus new subject plus verb third form plus by plus new object. Examples, active voice, I write a letter. When we change into passive voice, object change into subject and subject change into object. A letter is written by me. We use helping verb according to the new subject. In negative sentence, I do not write a letter. Passive voice, a letter is not written by me. A letter which was object changed into subject, or I which was subject changed into object, me. Active, do I write a letter? Passive, is a letter written by me? It is the rule of active passive voice of simple present. Now we are studying about the simple past. Affirmative sentence active rule voice rule is subject plus verb second form plus object. When we change into passive voice, new subject plus was verb plus verb third form plus by plus new object. We use helping verb was verb in simple past tense passive voice. Example, I wrote a letter. When we change into passive voice, a letter was written by me. In negative sentence, rule is subject plus did plus not plus verb first form plus object. When we change into passive voice, new subject plus was verb plus not plus V3 plus by plus new object. It means helping in the place of helping verb did, we use helping verb was verb in the passive voice. Interrogative sentence did plus subject plus verb first form plus object. When we change into passive voice, was verb plus new subject plus verb third form plus by plus new object. Example, did I write a letter? In the place of helping verb did, we use helping verb was. Was a letter written by me? Now we are talking about simple future tense. Affirmative sentence in active voice is subject plus will shall plus V1 plus object. When we change into passive voice, new subject plus will shall plus be plus V3 plus by plus new object. In the passive voice of future tense, after helping verb will shall, we use be. Example, I shall write a letter. In passive voice, a letter will be written by me. We use be after the helping verb shall or will. In negative sentence, subject plus will shall plus not plus verb first form plus object. In passive voice, new subject plus will shall plus not plus be plus V3 plus by plus new object. Interrogative sentence will shall plus subject plus verb first form plus object. When we change into passive voice, will shall plus new subject plus be plus V3 plus by plus new object. Example, shall I write a letter? Passive, will a letter be written by me? Student, now we are doing the rules of present, continuous or progressive tense in active passive voice. In affirmative sentence, subject plus ism are plus V1 plus ing plus object. When we change into passive voice, new subject plus ism are plus being plus V3 plus by plus new object. In every continuous tense, helping verb will be remain same, ism are, but we use being, being. In continuous or progressive tense, example, I am writing a letter. In passive voice, a letter is being written by me. Negative sentence rule is subject plus ism are plus not plus V1 plus ing plus object. In passive voice, new subject plus ism are plus not plus being plus V3 plus by plus new object. Interrogative is am are plus subject plus verb first form plus ing plus object. When we change into passive voice, ism are plus new subject plus being plus V3 plus by plus new object. Past continuous or progressive tense, active voice, passive voice. Affirmative sentence, subject plus was verb plus V1 plus ing plus object. In passive voice, new subject plus was verb plus being plus V3 plus by plus new object. Students, we will follow the same rules in negative and in interrogative sentence as we have followed in the present continuous tense. So this is the rule. These are the rules of active passive voice.